A dramatic, cinematic shot of a 1965 Shelby Cobra 427 parked on an open road at sunset, front three-quarter view, deep blue paint with white racing stripes, wide tires, flared wheel arches, chrome side exhaust pipes, glowing reflections on the body, moody sky with golden light. A black and white image of Carroll Shelby in a 1960s workshop blueprint sketches on the wall, a bare AC Ace chassis in the background, Ford the 5th 8 engine on a stand, vintage tool Shelby wearing aviator sunglasses and a racing jacket. A detailed 3D rendering of the Shelby Cobra 427 CSX 3000 series bare chassis, showing steel tubular space frame made with 4-inch diameter main tubes, clean workshop background, technical lighting, no body panels, engine bay space visible. Shelby Cobra 427 chassis frame fitted with independent suspension arms, coil springs, front and rear subframes visible, wheels absent, technical illustration or cutaway diagram style, on a car lift in a workshop. Close-up image of the Shelby Cobra 427's flared wheel arches, Halabrand knockoff wheels, wide Goodyear tires and polished side exhaust pipes parked on asphalt, detailed lighting on metal curves. Shelby Cobra 427 interior with leather bucket seats installed, wood-rimmed 3-spoke steering wheel with Cobra emblem, brushed aluminum dash still unpainted, exposed gear tunnel, no gauges yet. Close-up of the Shelby Cobra 427 dashboard with Smith's analog gauges installed, toggle switches, brushed aluminum dash plate, leather dash top, vintage race car look, steering wheel and gear lever visible. POV shot from the driver's seat of a Shelby Cobra 427. Hands on the wood-rimmed steering wheel, view of gauges on brushed aluminum dashboard, side mirror, open cockpit, racetrack in the background. Shelby Cobra 427 interior at night, dashboard softly illuminated by glowing Smith's gauges, faint ambient light on leather seats with steering wheel reflecting cockpit lights, nostalgic and cinematic mood. A Shelby Cobra 427 launching hard off the line, tires slightly lifting, smoke trailing from rear wheels, deep blue paint with white racing stripes, driver in racing gear, blurred road and background to show speed, stopwatch graphic overlay reading 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 sec. Overhead tracking shot of a Shelby Cobra 427 at high speed on an empty straight road or Bonneville salt flats, front wheels aligned, aerodynamic stance, subtle motion blur, speed overlay, top speed, 170 miles per hour. Minimalist background to emphasize speed. A Shelby Cobra 427 parked on a high mountain road at dusk, glowing from soft orange sunlight, deep blue body with white stripes, chrome side pipes reflecting fire-colored sky, dramatic clouds above, shot from low angle to emphasize presence. Cobra 427 midrift on a racetrack, flames spitting from side exhausts, rear tires smoking, track barriers blurred, dramatic lighting casting shadows on body, conveying controlled chaos and raw power. Rear view of a Shelby Cobra 427 parked at the edge of a scenic overlook at dawn, mist rising below the cliffs, tail lights glowing dimly, American flag reflected in chrome bumper, forever subtly etched into a road sign or number plate.